Hey guys, welcome to TechTuber HD. So today's video is about how to download Apex Legend for PC. For that, you need to go to Google and search for Apex Legend. Okay, the first link ea.com. Open it. Now press for download for free Origin on PC because we are using Windows. Okay, see download started. So the next step is install it, run. Okay, install Origin, accept the license agreement, continue. Okay, installing the latest version of Origin. Okay, installing. Now you need to create your account. Okay, wait, 1989. Okay, accept. TechTuber. Next. Okay. Hello gamers, to find me by my email me about esports. Okay, create new account. Okay, so I need to verify my account. Just send me the link on my email ID. Okay, get started. The file size is 13.17 GB. Okay, I think it will take some 30 or 35 minutes for me. Okay, wait and let's see what happened. Okay, my Apex Legend installed on my PC. Now open it.
Apex Legends, a tactical, squad-based battle royale that has galvanized the Outlands.
Dome shield out!
It is the ultimate test of survival. You win, or you die.
You tried, you died.
But this spectacle is nothing without the legends. From larger-than-life characters like the famed Gibraltar, whose presence on the battlefield can always be felt, to Mirage, the fan-favorite jokester whose command of holotechnology makes him a master of deception.
Oh, sorry, did I confuse you?
There's the mysterious hunter Bloodhound, who quietly stalks their prey.
We talk of victory and slaughter.
And the tormented Wraith, who has learned to trust the voices in her head, a side effect of phasing between infinite dimensions.
Looking for me?
But even the most experienced legends must rely on their squad to achieve victory. Who might best complement Bangalore? A weapons expert and offensive powerhouse.
Not your day, shooter.
Is it the combat medic Lifeline, whose healing abilities and emergency supplies can tip the scales in her favor?
We're in this together.
Or is she better suited with Pathfinder, the scouting specialist, armed with a grappling hook and zipline?
That was fun.
Or should she take her chances with Caustic? This sociopath relishes the final moments of his victims as they fall prey to his toxic chemicals.
In the end, everything dies.
Located deep in the Outlands, Kings Canyon was once a rich, thriving territory with natural resources. The varied landscape offers a wide range of tactical challenges. Legends can easily find themselves fully exposed in the long sightlines of the Cascades and Shattered Forest.
Got you.
While the iconic Leviathan skeleton provides an epic backdrop in Skulltown and Thunderdome.
Here I go!
It all starts with the drop. Approaching drop zone. Each squad is assigned a jump master. When the jump master chooses to drop, the whole squad exits the dropship together.
Going to check it out over there.
If you're looking to gear up quickly, dropping into one of the marked hot zones is your best bet to find some higher tier loot. But be warned, you could find yourself in a fight almost immediately. The ultimate test is to secure one of the roving supply ships. If you're skilled enough to land on one of these hovering giants, some elite gear may be waiting for you.
Marvelous.
The Apex Arena features a robust arsenal of weapons and gear, from agile SMGs and heavy-hitting shotguns to deadly light machine guns and energy weapons. There's something for everyone.
Beautiful.
Finding the right gear is just as important. A single pickup can be the difference between victory and death. And keep a lookout for those larger backpacks. You'd hate to run out of ammo in a fight. Strategy and communication are essential to a squad's success. Context-sensitive smart comms allow legends to quickly share information with their squad.
Flatline here.
Thanks.
Contact with target.
Copy that.
If you find yourself cornered or in an area that's already been picked clean, locate one of the jump towers. Squads can zip line up and redeploy into a new zone. And always be mindful of the encroaching ring. It can easily spoil your plans, or used wisely, can be the key to victory.
Got them.
Keeping your entire squad alive is crucial. If a squad mate goes down, move quickly to revive them and get back in the fight.
You'll be all right.
If they do expire, all hope is not lost. You have a short window to recover the fallen teammate's banner card. If you manage to collect it, locate the nearest respawn beacon and call them back into the fight. But be warned, you'll be heavily exposed, and your returning teammate will have no gear when they arrive. So make sure you're prepared.
Thank you.
The competition is all about survival, but the true glory comes from a legend's style. As you climb higher in the ranks, a host of customizations and cosmetic loot will become available to you. Use these to deck out your apparel and weapons, And of course, show the whole arena what you're about with your Legend banner. The competition continues to attract new, aspiring legends from all corners of the frontier. Who knows where the next champion will come from? And with seasonal events bringing new challenges and opportunities, we've only seen the beginning of what's in store for those brave enough to step foot into the arena. Shoot this. A legend once said, it's a simple game. They kill you, they're better. You kill them, you're better.